It is not my fault that I'm treating our daughter's birthday party at school as a major marketing event. So here's what I mean by that. It's our daughter's birthday at school and she loves puppies. So we're throwing a puppy themed party for her at school, which includes some epic goodie bags. And I just can't help the fact that I'm basically treating this as if it were a marketing event. I want people in her class to feel special. I want her to feel special. I want it to be super personalized and I want to wow them with goodie bags. I know I'm really taking this to the next level, but I just can't help it. It's so much fun and this is why I love marketing. So here is the most epic goodie bag. So I'm pretty proud of how we put this together. So starting off with puppies, these are the cutest little puppies that I found on Amazon. Really, these are the star of the show for the goodie bag. So puppies, these amazing gift bags. Our daughter loves to put things in bags and collect them, carry them around, take them to the next room, dump them and open them. So this is a very thoughtful and nice quality and very bright and shiny goodie bag. Then we're going to include fruit snacks that are puppy themed, Scooby-Doo. I mean, how epic is this? Then we have graham crackers, Scooby-Doo graham crackers. We have a ton of little stickers, kind of like this themed. And then we have coloring books, puppy coloring books. I love to carry these in the car, my diaper bag and things like that. It just keeps the kids busy when I'm like, okay, color this or look at this or whatever. So we have little miniature coloring books that are puppy themed. And then we have some paw print bubbles. So these are bubbles and it has like paw prints on the top of them. So I'm feeling pretty excited about these goodie bags. And this does not even include some of the other things that we're doing at home that are puppy themed, like her birthday cake has a paw print on it, cupcakes, the tablecloth, the plates, and the wrapping paper. So what can I say? I love a great opportunity to make somebody feel special and to also include that moment of, wow, look at these details. This is really unique and it stands out. So if you want something like this for your business too, not the puppy party bags, we can talk about that if that's what you really want, but I'm talking the really nitty gritty of somebody who thinks of all of the details for your business, but for your customers, the people who are on the receiving end of something like this, reach out to me, digitalsargeant.com. You'll book a call with me directly. And this is just an example, a tiny personal example of how I take every single detail of the audience, the main character in mind, and make everybody just feel special and welcome. So let's make some goodie bags. So cute. So 1 puppy, 2 fruit snacks, 1 graham cracker pack, 2 coloring books, 3 stickers. Oh my gosh, look how cute this sticker is. That is so cute. And 2 bubble wands, and then 1 bag.